20 ways to respect yourself. 1. Stop looking for who is not looking for you. 2. Stop begging. 3. Stop saying more than is necessary. 4. When people disrespect you, confront them immediately. 5. Don't eat other people's food more than they eat yours. 6. Reduce how you visit some people, especially if they don't reciprocate. 7. Invest in yourself. Make yourself happy. 8. Stop entertaining gossip about other people. 9. Think before you talk. 80% of how people value you is what comes out of your mouth. 10. Always look your best. Dress the way you should be addressed. 11. Be an achiever. Get busy with your goals. 12. Respect your time. 13. Don't stay in a relationship where you don't feel respected and valued. Walk away. 14. Learn to spend money on yourself. That's how people will learn to spend on you. 15. Be scarce sometimes. 16. Be a giver more than a receiver. 17. Don't go where you are not invited. And when invited, don't overstay your welcome. 18. Treat people exactly the way they deserve. 19. If someone owes you money, 2 call attempts are enough. If they value you, they will call you back. 20. Stay close to God, because nothing is complete without the blessings of Allah.